Talent management used to be a topic which was for quite a while considered to be a lovely, soft skill, nice to have topic for companies. Nowadays it becomes a real hard fact topic for many companies. And why is it so? Demographics in Europe speak their own language. More or less all countries have a scarcity of skilled labor. And that applies not only to the blue-collar part of the employees, but it applies equally to the leadership level and to all levels of the organization. Globally, we are facing the same situation in a different context. In India, for example, companies do not find sufficient skilled people, again, on every level, because the country is not coping with the demand of the need of the companies. And in China, they will have within the next 10 to 15 years a huge problem because of the one-child policy in olden times. So they will have what we have experienced in Europe for many years, even a generation. They go through that within much less time. So we are highlighting together with our clients the strategic challenge of talent management. We work on the strategic reshaping of the company in this respect, talent management and the challenges in the outside world, in the society and globally. And we then are developing with the company really practical steps, how to go about it, how to adjust to the changed environment, how to shape also the changing environment to make this company a much better place to work. So what is a good employer? That is, of course, a discussion which is for a long time on. There are a lot of studies about that. That is an organization which definitely pays nicely, but it is much more nowadays also a company which provides a really suitable culture where people love to work. That is a company which will create a good work-life balance, and it will be a company where women, for example, find suitable conditions for their needs regarding family and workplace. So companies which really take care for their employees and support them in whatever way possible, so that every employee feels, oh, here I would like to stay and contribute my creativity and my knowledge and skills to exactly this company.